Hi everyone, since we are discussing SQL problem from Hackerrank, in today's video I'm going to discuss this employee name problem. So let's start. So read the problem. It is saying write the query that print a list of employees name, that is the name attribute from the employee table in alphabetically order. It is a very simple, like we are having this employee table which has a schema like employee ID, name, month and salary, and input table is looking like this one. And here the name is not in order, like first is Rose is coming and another is Angela and all. And the question is saying you have to order alphabetically, that is your result sample should be like this one. So this is our problem statement. So let's solve this problem. So right, select, since I want name from my employee table, and only I have to arrange them because our question is saying the alphabetic order. So I'm putting order by the name in ascending. Even if you are not mentioning ascending, by default it will take as a ascending order. So let's run and see the result. So you can see now the A name is coming first, followed by B, C, D, and E. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.